Dear learners, welcome to the module on streaming audio technology and its applications. My name is Ashish Kumar Avadia and I am your instructor for this module. In previous module, we have learned about the importance of audio content for educational purposes. You also learned about what are the benefits of audio content for teaching learning processes. You also came to know about benefits of educational podcast and various audio formats used in educational audio content. You also came to know about what are the requirements for production of good audio content as well as what are the important considerations for developing in audio content. You also came to know about what are the stages involved in production of audio. Now the things come then how to develop an audio. We will cover in this module development of audio content and refining that audio by editing that audio content. So we will see how to develop an audio. You can develop audio using mobile device. You can also develop an audio using your laptop or your computer. However, for producing a good quality and professional audio which will suit to your audience, we usually use a software that is called Audacity software. Audacity is a free, easy to use audio recorder and audio editor. The Audacity software gives us features of recording and then it also gives us features of editing, and in editing features you can do cut, copy, slice, you can mix sounds together, you can change the pitch of the sound, you can change speed, you can add echo, you can remove different type of noise, you can also add different type of effects. So Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform audio software. It is easy to use multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, for Mac, Linux and other operating system. It has been developed by group of volunteers as a open source software. So Audacity is an open source software, and now in coming slides and coming module we will be learning how to work with Audacity. We will learn how to install Audacity, we will learn how to record an audio and edit in that Audacity, and we will use Audacity for adding different type of effects in our audio module. So let us begin with working with Audacity. So let us begin with demonstration of Audacity software. Audacity software is very easy to download. You can simply go to the website of Audacity that is being displayed in the screen, and you can follow the instructions on how to download and install the Audacity. You have to download the Audacity from the Audacity website. Then you follow one by one step by instruction to install the software. Once you are ready with the installation of the software, you can simply click on the Audacity icon which will be developed in your desktop to open the Audacity screen page. Now you can see this is the Audacity screen page. This is the blank screen of the Audacity software, and you can see the different type of buttons. You can see these buttons. You can remember the old days tape recorder where you can see the recording button, stop button, play button, pause button, backward and forward button. You remember those old days tape recorder. The Audacity is very simple tool, and it has been made in such a way that any layman can use Audacity. This is the blank page. This is the basically you can see this is the track portion of the Audacity, and right now it is blank. Now we will see how to record an audio and how to develop that audio into MP3 format. For recording of audio, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this red button which is a record button. Once I click on record button, you see different wavelength going up and down. When the wavelengths are going up and down, you can see our audio is being recorded. This audio is being recorded from my laptop. If you want to record more clearly, you can use headphone to record more clear voice. Now our recording is done. Suppose I want to stop recording, I have to simply click on stop. My recording is done. Now let us play this recording and see how it looks like. Click on record button, you see different wavelength going up and down. When the wavelengths are going up and down, you can see our audio is being recorded. This audio is being recorded from my laptop. If you want to record more clearly, you can use headphone to record more clear voice. Now our recording is done. So have you seen how easy is recording through Audacity? You can simply click on the record button and whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to teach to your learners, you can speak it out and it is very simply to record that audio. Now, once the audio is recorded, it is in Audacity. Can we play this Audacity file in your mobile phone? No, we have to convert this file into MP3 player. So, how to do that? That is a very simple step. Once you have done with your recording, what you have to do? You have to click on File. Once you're done with File, you have to click on Export. Once you click on Export, you can see different formats of the audio track. You can export this file as MP3. You can export as WAV file, OGG file, or different type of other files. Right now, we will learn only about converting this Audacity recorded audio track into MP3 file. So I will click on export as MP3. Once I click on export as MP3, it will ask the file name. I will keep the file name as test audio and I will save it into the desktop. I'll click on desktop. You don't need to change any settings. It is already pre-recorded. Settings are already there. Your sound will be recorded in a joint audio. Now I have to click on save. Once you click on save, you will see the metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data. Basically, you will be giving the back-end information about your audio track, like artist name. You can write, suppose I have recorded this video, so I'll write Ashish. Track title, test audio, album title, streaming, track number, year, maybe I can write 2021, genre, comment. So basically the metadata, when your file is saved in a big library, this information helps to retrieve the data in easy manner. I will click on OK. Once I click on OK, so our recording track is done. Now if I want to play that audio, I will go to desktop and you see my desktop is ready with that file. I'll click on that file and our test audio that is done in MP3 format will be played. You see different wavelength going up and down. When the wavelengths are going up and down, you can see our audio is being. So, have you seen how easily we were able to develop our audio through using Audacity? So, we learned about how to record an audio and convert that audio into the MP3 format. Now, suppose we have recorded an audio and that audio has some problem, or it is not of that very good quality, or it has recorded in very low volume, or any other discrepancy in your MP3 file. So how to remove that discrepancy? We will see. How to edit that audio? We will see. For that, I will close this track and I will import MP3 file. How to do that? To import any MP3 file, you have to click on File, then you have to click on Import, then you have to click on Audio. So you have to locate your audio, which audio you want to edit. Maybe I have an audio that is titled as School Chale Hum. I will click on this audio and I will open this audio. You see our track is imported to Audacity software. Now first we will play this audio track and see what things we can do in this audio track. I will just play this audio track. So our audio track has been imported and we were able to play this audio track. Now let us see what things we can do. First, let us see these menus. What are these menus meant for? This is file menu. Basically, these options will help us to do the different things with the files. You can open new file, you can open recent file, you can export a file. Last time we have done exporting the file into MP3 format. You can import the file, you can import any file which you want to edit. Now this is edit menu. In this menu you have options of cut, delete, copy, paste and duplicate and other important menus. But we will be learning about these menus which usually you will be working on. Then this is the menu for select, selecting a track, all track, selecting more than one track, selecting a region of a track. Then you have option for view. You can zoom your track, you can maintain the track size up to width, up to height. Then you can transport, you can do here recording a new track, you can play the track here. Then these are the tracks. Using this menu you can mix up the 2 or more tracks. This is generate. Using this menu you can generate different type of effects in your audio, chill, noise, silence, tone. Using effects, this is the most important menu of Audacity software. Using this menu you can amplify your audio track, you can increase or decrease brass and treble, you can change the pitch, you can change the speed, you can change tempo, you can insert echo, you can do fade in, fade out, you can remove noise from your audio track. So now let us begin with edit. What we can do with the edit. So using this menu we will learn to cut, delete, copy and paste. Suppose we want to copy this track and we will paste this track into same place so that our beginning of the audio will be increased. So what I will do, I will simply select this track, I will go to edit, I will do copy, and what I will do, suppose I want to paste this track over here so that beginning of my track is increased, I will just go here and do the pasting. You can see the audio track which we have copied has been pasted over here. Suppose you want to remove this track from here, you go here, you go to edit, you can simply cut. So the selected audio track has been cut, and suppose you want to put over here, you go here and there is just, so your audio track is pasted over here. Similar way, suppose you want to make a duplication, you want to duplicate this much amount of track, simply select this track, go to edit, duplicate. Your track, selected portion of the track has been duplicated into different audio track. Suppose you want to play only this track, you have to go here, you have to mute this track and just play this track. So you can see by using these features we can work on multiple tracks or using Audacity software. Now I will close this track and I will unmute this track so our track is ready for playing. So what we learned till now? We have learned till now how to record an audio, how to convert the recorded audio into MP3 player, MP3 format. We also learned how to do editing and cut, copy, paste in your audio track. Now we will import one more track. For that I will close this track. I'll go to File, Import, Audio, and I have one track that is कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. I will import this track and we will see how different effects we can add into our audio track. Before that, we will just play this track.
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
So we have this audio track and we will see how different effects we can use in our track. For adding the effect, what we have to do, we have to simply select the particular portion of the track. Suppose I want to add an effect on this portion. So this is the time bar of the audio track. I have selected this track from, maybe you can say, from 30 second to 45 second, and I will play this portion of track.
बारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना उखड़ता है.
So this is the portion. I will select this portion. I will go to effect and I will go for amplification. So what is amplification? Suppose your audio track has low volume and you want to increase the volume, you have to select this amplify option. For this we go to effects and we will click on amplify. Once we click on amplify, you can see this screen has emerged. You can simply increase the amplification or decrease the amplification. I will increase the amplification by 3.2 and just I'll click on OK. Once I have clicked on OK, you can see there is a change in the wavelength. Now let us play this track.
बारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है.
So have you observed? Our audio track, portion of this audio track has been amplified and the volume has been increased. Suppose you don't like this amplification or you want to go back to this amplification, you simply go on undo. You simply go on undo and do the click on undo. Your audio track will come into its original state. Now let us see some more effects. I will keep on selecting this particular portion of the track so that you can easily understand what are the changes are being done. Let us go to, first select the track, go to effects, then change pitch. Once I click on change pitch, you will see the screen. You can change the pitch from here. Let us change the pitch by this much and just click on the thing. Now let us play this track.
दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना उखड़ता है.
So are you able to see the change? Completely voice has been changed. So this effect is very useful when you want to modulate your voice, or you have very low pitch voice, you can increase the pitch, or you have very high pitch voice, you can decrease the pitch. Now I will again do the undo so that we can reach to our original state of the track. So I have done undo. Now let us see some more effects. Go to effects, change speed. Suppose your voice has been recorded, your audio has been recorded in less speed, you want to, or high speed, you want to change the speed, click on this change speed and just see this screen which has emerged to you. You can change or decrease the speed, you can increase or decrease the speed by using this cursor. Maybe I'll decrease the speed by this much and I'll click on OK. Speed has been decreased. Let us play this sound.
दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना उखड़ता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार.
See how different has been the voice now, completely changed. Now I will do undo so that we can reach to the original state. So till now what we have learned? By going to effects, we learned how to amplify your audio, how we can change the pitch, how we can change the speed. Similar way, you can also change tempo. Now we will see very important feature, adding echo. How you can add an echo to your sound. For that, I will again select the same patch of the sound. I'll select the patch. I'll go to effect. I'll go to echo. Now you see what is echo. In echo you see two different points. One is delay time and one is decay factor. What is delay time? Delay time means how long your voice will be delayed, and decay factor is the magnitude by which your sound will be decayed. So I'll not change these things. I'll just click on OK. So your echo has been done. Now let us play.
तारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, तारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, तारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, तारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है.
So you can see the echo has been added to your voice. Many times this echo helps in educational content where you want to emphasize any particular thing, or you want to show a voice which is coming from surroundings. This echo effect will be useful for you. Now I again do undo for the track so that we can reach to the original state. Now we will see how we can add fade in and fade out effect to our audio track. Suppose I want to make fade in effect to my portion of this track. I'll select this portion and I'll click on effects. Then I'll click on fade in. Once I click on fade in, you can see the difference in the wavelength of the sound track. Our sound track has been decreased and then it is gradually increasing. Let us play this patch.
दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खलता है, आखिर उसकी.
So have you seen how beautifully the fade in effect is added to your audio track, and this fade in effect helps when your sound has been recorded abruptly and you want to introduce your sound to your learners, to your audience in a gradual manner, slowly increasing the volume of the sound. So this is a fade in effect. Now we will see what are the fade out effect. For that I'll just undo this track. We will again select the same patch. This is the same patch I have selected. I'll go to effect, then I'll click on fade out. Once I have done fade out, completely it has been reversed like as a fade in. Now the sound is gradually decreasing. Earlier the sound was gradually increasing, and now the sound is gradually decreasing. So let us play this sound.
दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खलता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती.
So are you able to see the fade out effect helps when you have to end your audio track, end your lesson, and you can end your lesson by gradually decreasing your sound, so it will be a smooth end of your audio track. I will again do undo. Now let us see other effects. Now we will see what is important, very important effect, that is noise reduction. Noise is very important, and whenever you record audio in a room or surrounding, and if you have got any noise in your audio track, how you can remove that noise from your audio. So noise reduction is a two-step process. Basically, once we have identified the noise from the track, then we have to remove the noise. So for that, first we will see what are the noise. Now let us play this sound. If you see this track and I'll play this portion, you can see there is a noise where there is no voice of the speaker, and in between there is a noise. Let us see again. I'll play it again. So this is the noise. Now I will select this portion. I'll go to view and I'll go to zoom. This I have zoomed this portion, and I'll again select the small portion where noise is very clearly audible. So now we have got the noise. Now what you have to do, first you have got the noise, you go to effects, then go to noise reduction. As earlier I have already told, noise reduction is a two-step process. Step 1 is a getting noise profile, and step 2 is a removing of that noise. So first we have already selected this portion of noise. So we are telling the system that this is the noise. So first the system will identify what is noise. For that we will click on get noise profile. So we have told the system that this is the noise. So what will be the next step? For the next step we will select the portion from where we have to remove the noise. So suppose I want to remove this noise from the whole track. I will do Control A. Either I will do Control A, or I will go to select and then all. So I have selected the track from where I have to remove the noise. Now I will go to effects, then I will go to noise reduction. Since I have already selected the noise profile, our system knows the noise profile. Now we have to go to second step of this process, and I'll click on reduce and then OK. Once I have selected OK, our noise has been removed. Now I will play the soundtrack, and you will be able to see how different is the audio track now after removing the noise. I will play.
नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में।
So, are you able to see the change? The noise which was there in the audio has been removed, and your audio has been come out very well, filtered audio, and now you can simply convert this audio track into MP3 format, and you can take the filtered audio, you can give that filtered audio to your audience. So, after this we will end our module, and I will close this. So in this module, what you have learned? You have learned how to record an audio. You have also learned how to record an audio and convert into MP3 file. You have also learned how you can use edit option, and you can edit your audio track as per your desired formats. You also learn about effects, different type of effects like changing pitch, changing speed, changing tempo, noise reduction, etc. So I hope this will help you to create an audio content for your teaching learning process. Thank you very much.